Today, we're changing the oil on a Honda GX390 engine. Make sure the engine is turned off before starting. The oil part number is 08207-10W30. Here is the oil level check and fill plug. To check, unscrew the plug and dip it back in and out to check the oil level. If it's time to do a full change, let's drain the engine. Keep the plug out of the engine and find the oil drain bolt on the bottom of the engine. You will need a 12mm socket. Before fully removing the bolt, make sure you have a drain or container to catch the oil. After emptying, reinstall the drain plug and tighten to 16.5 foot-pounds. Then fill with oil to the specific amount and make sure to recheck the oil level after filling. Then tighten the dipstick plug back on. For more information, visit ai-engines.com.